Okay, sorry, network issue होता. First, advantages of prefabrication: first, high quality product, labor related saving in time. Okay, then sorry. Overall efficiency is greatly increased. Mass production is easier and quick. Protected and controlled production environment. Potential for lower production cost and other saving. Wait. Then independence of climate condition and the disruption of traffic is avoided. First main advantages of prefabrication: the speed. Main advantages of prefabrication are speed, then high quality, then saving. Speed is the construction period could be reduced by amount 40% for single storage building and 25 to 40% for multi-storage building. Second is the reduction in cost, means with assured demand, the cost could be reduced by 15 to 20%, if not more. Economy lies in the framework and shuttering labor, material, etc. Okay, then this is the reduction is cost, and then high productivity means the better organization, facilities, supervision, and labor specialization could result in high productivity. Then discipline use of secure materials means by adopting design method involving optimized theories, the consumption of secure material like cement, steel could be reduced to minimize. Means strength and quality of concrete with the effective control means the over the process of manufacturing, it becomes possible to improve upon the strength and quality of concrete. Then uniformity in quality means uniformity of quality of product can be assured by using mixing equipment and vibrating tables, etc. And high working stress means the higher working stress due to the quality control. High working stresses of concrete can be adopted for design purpose with the result in saving of concrete. And then weather condition and clean and dry site and improvement in working condition for the laborers. These the advantages of prefabrication. Weather condition, then the weather condition is the production in factory can produce independence of weather conditions such as rain or other tropical condition. Then clean and dry sites, the amount of in situ concrete needed on the site in reduce, and the work site can be kept clean and dry. And last, independence climate condition, distribution of traffic is avoided, then ensure high degree of safety. Then improvement in working condition for the laborers. The improvement in working condition of labor is also achieved because they are granted of minimum amenities by factory rules. Okay, this is the main part for the advantages of prefabrication. Then disadvantages of prefabrication means careful handling of prefabricated uh, components such as concrete panels or steel glass panels is required. This main normal the method of analysis and design of prefabrication structure. Um, the components are the same in the case of conventional construction, but the following main point of system approaches will to be further consideration. The prefabrication construction means standardization, then principle of structure design means loading and type of connection means the requirement of good connection is the main disadvantages of the prefabrication construction. The then last, waterproofing installation and finishing, the main part of disadvantages of prefabrication. Main careful handling of prefabrication components of such as a concrete panel or a steel glass panel is required. Then second point, attention has to be paid to the strength and corrosion resistance of the joining of prefabrication section to avoid failure of the joint. Then similarly, leaks can form at joints in prefabricated component. Then transportation cost may be higher for voluminous prefabricated section than for material of which they are made, which can often be packed more compactly. Then large prefabricated section required heavy duty cranes and precision measurement and handling to place in position. Main standardization prefabrication calls for repetitive use of building elements and universal forms of speedily and easily construction. Thus, a standardization of prefabricated elements because essential. The standardization will facilitate quicker construction of similar structure, means avoid duplicates of efforts or individual planning, give a boost to any clear industries to manufacturing numbers of components or mass scale without fear of accumulation of stocks, means the consumers in also sure of building elements of certain minimum standard, avoiding the expenditure on supervision the other overrated. Main part for the experience granted standardization, good flexure elements, cross section of dimension will the change of the construction sites. Okay. Then large peripheral sections required heavy duty cranes and measures handling to place in position. Means principles of structure design through board principal method of analysis and design of prefabrication structures as the same case of conventional construction, means the loading and connection. Loading is the at the time of laying out the unit or compromise self weight of the unit and weight of the concrete in joints between two units and uh, इन 2 युनिट्स लाईव्ह लोड अँड डेड लोड. तुम्हाला माहित आहे लोडिंग फ्रेम साठी आपण सपोर्टिव्ह सिम्पली सपोर्टिव्ह साठी घेतो किंवा फिक्स सपोर्ट कंटिन्यू सपोर्ट पण आपण प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर डिझाईन मध्ये आपण यूज करतो. ओके. फुल लोडिंग युनिट अंडर appropriate condition, that is simply partially fixed or continuous support or maximum positive bending moment, maximum negative bending moment. Okay. The maximum shearing force should be calculated. Element should be designed as per IS 456 code provisional accordingly. Then second, connection disadvantages. So connection is the all structure parts are easily joined together. Force are easily transported. Means precast concrete construction. This transfers of force is to be achieved through the connection. Means therefore the connection is the whether the structure will act unit or a series of individual memories. Okay. Means type of connection, composite connection, welding connection, tip of the facing connection are the type of the connection. And then last, waterproofing and insulation or finishing. The it common sight even in the case of conventional construction that rain water drop drips through construction and expansion joint. Hence, it could be well understood the importance of sealing the joints in prefabricated construction material like telfail, bitumen, or alike could conventional used for making the joints waterproof, and then lime concrete or mud with tile over it. It could be laid using for roofing. The flooring and roofing units should be also provide the insulation as far as possible. Okay. Main disadvantages of the prefabrication. Then characteristics are to be considered, means the easy availability, lightweight for easy handling and transportation, economy on section and size. Then section and sizes of foundation. Then main part for the thermal insulation of the property for character consideration for the prefabrication. Then easy workability, durability in all weather condition, and non-combusting and economy is cost and sound insulation. Okay, main part for the India. In India, we have already gained a sufficient experience to build upon the moment in the field of prefabrication. Some factories have been set up, including the Hindustan Housing Factory, means HHF, and New Delhi by the government for manufacturing precast component and construction of fully fabricated houses with technical assist from the own research and development, financial and national building organization NBO. तुम्हाला हा प्रीफॅब्रिकेशन म्हणजे काय, त्याचं काय रिलेटेड कन्स्ट्रक्शन असतील, त्याचे शॉर्ट फॉर्म असतील. HHF तुम्हाला MCQ टाईपच एक्झाम असणार आहे, त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला विचारता. हा पीपीटी मी शेअर करणारच आहे, त्यामध्ये पण बघून घ्या की काय नेमकं त्यात यूज होतात. नॅशनल बिल्डिंग ऑर्गनायझेशन मीन्स NBO, म्हणजे काय, some fabrication has been done in Bombay by Shah Construction